Right, okay then, Infernus Marine, number 4 we're on now, I think. So, yeah, let's get going. Numbers 10 and 11. So, main body part. And a leg. I have to admit, after having to put together some of the Stormcast miniatures that were push fit, that were quite frankly some of the most awful fits, having to do weird like little twists in order to get them together, these Primaris Marines are nowhere near as difficult to deal with, I have to admit. You just seem to have a lot simpler push points. I found with the Stormcast you had to like do weird little twists and all sorts to get things in. 7, 8 and 9. So let me find here. 7, 9. Then 8. Head. Okay, make that pin in there. It's simple. Ow. It's actually painful. See, ones like this weird me out. You know, like the way that they choose to put them, the push fit together. These are the ones that have a habit of not sitting right, because you gotta try and force things in at a weird angle, and you can't even sort of decide to leave the arm off because it needs to slot under there. My advice is don't push the gun under any circumstance, because that's how you break things. Right, 12 and 13 and then we're done. 13 for the backpack. 12 for the other arm. Over here. And there we go, that's simple. Excellent, another quick build. So thanks for watching, please like and subscribe. See you next time.